Hey guys, just wanted to show you something weird here. Anyways, running the dry cell. See and hear the production there. There we go. It's a 7-plate cell, 5 neutrals, 1 positive, 1 negative. I'm running it through that monster bridge rectifier there from my Variac. Out of the wall, we're drawing 153 watts. Goes up and down a little bit. Now, I just wanted to show you something. You can sort of see the flame there, heating the heat sink, computer heat sink, and I've got a temp probe on it. It's about 28 degrees. Only 20 in here. Now, it's hard to see. I'm going to have to turn these overhead lights off. But I just wanted to show you the water accumulation. Yeah, there. Where the HHO flame's hitting the heat sink. It's a big droplet of water about to drop. I don't know if that makes it better or worse. Kind of see it there. Anyways, just thought I'd show you that. The recombining of the hydrogen and oxygen. The contact plates there about 55 degrees Celsius. Like I said, in here it's 19, 20, and I'm pushing out 28 degree air. You can see down there the there you go. And that's just from this little heat sink. That little hydrogen flame. I've been running it for about 20 minutes now. And it sure got a big droplet of water under there. Just thought it was kind of cool how it recombines like that. So actually the water you're using as electrolyte, you can get it back and recycle it back into the electrolyzer unit. Okay guys, just a little update. Later.